Ciao, welcome to Beatspot. I'm Marco, and in this video I want to give you a quick reminder on how to EQ hi-hats. So generally there's this advice that you shouldn't over EQ stuff, but in some cases it's actually beneficial. So let's listen to this hi-hat like on its own, like this. So it's quite invasive and it's a lot distracting, so I EQ'd it like this. I mean, it's still carrying on the track, it's something that sticks out the mix, it grabs your attention, but it's not ear piercing, and that's because I made all these cuts. And these are all resonances that were kind of known. This way it still retains the character, the texture, the tone, but we don't have those single resonances that are taking all over the place, and they are also overshadowing the rest of the mix and the rest of the shaker, the perks, the ride, the crash, whatever you have there. That's basically it. You can work on samples. This is mostly, I think, a sound design choice rather than a mixing choice, because I had this hi-hat loop that I liked because the sample was great. I didn't have the single sample to work on with the sampler, with the simpler in Ableton. I didn't bother to turn it into a MIDI, so I worked like that. That's it basically. I just turned these hat this way, and now it fits the pocket really nicely, and it covers the role that I wanted for the track. Nothing more, nothing less. That's it. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.